Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a 2027 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage with the all new stepped hull design. It is something they've been working on for many years. It is finally available now. We have this boat equipped in the Abaco blue hull sides with a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. On the hardtop, we've got the white frame with the Abaco blue underside to match. Beautiful combo. To power the boat, we have twin V10 425 Verados. Let's hop up inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the 2027 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, let's take a look at a few more key features. Once again, I'd like to point out these twin V10 425 Verados. Awesome power package for this boat. We've got rod holders across the stern here. Also have a freshwater washdown as you enter into the boat. Do have a nice large live well here. And then also we do have the boat, as you'll see as we move throughout, equipped in this sea gray interior. Great jump seat here at the back. More than enough room for two adults to comfortably sit. That'll easily fold up, allow you to fish this cockpit area very nicely. Got two large fish boxes on either side, port and starboard. Then we do have a nice rear facing seat here as well that has another live well underneath it. On the port side here, we have a nice dive door. We'll open up. Also have a ladder that will go into place and a nice grab rail for it right there as well. One last thing while we're in the cockpit of this boat, Boston Whaler is very known for their easy access bilge. Very nice, deep bilge, easy to get into, easy to access all the things that you may need, along with two 5-gallon buckets for storage. As we move forward, we'd like to point out we do have some nice rocket launchers here. Nice sturdy rocket launchers, great grab bar if you'd like to as well. Nice tea bag storage underneath, be able to throw things up top that we would like. We've got some glove box storage as well. Got our VHF head unit here. We do have a radar dome on top, as well as a spotlight on this boat. Got a mounted compass. Here at the dash, we do have toggle switching here for our windshield wiper lights, courtesy lights, this vent that will open up that we do have open as well. All of that will be found in this switching. Got twin 16-inch Simrad displays as well. Got a steering wheel on a tilt base. Got Lenco trim tabs. Our new Mercury binnacle system here. Joystick pilot operating as well for those twin V10 425s. We have the radio head unit is down below in the cabin area, but we do have controls here as well. We do have on either side, we have jump seats for trolling seats as well. So we look down in the head area here. Nice teak flooring as well as a vacuum flush head system with a freshwater sink. Great place for storage. Also a great place to be able to get out of the sun if you would like to while underway. Very nice bow seating, great area to be able to operate and move. I'm 6'4" for reference, so very nice, long, extended lounger here. We do have flip down armrests as well, so very comfortable. Also, if we were to lift this up, we do have very nice seating as well. Nice deep storage. Can throw fishing rods down in here. That'll feed back into that head system, as well as two more 5-gallon buckets. We do have black canvas for this boat, so that'd be a great place to be able to store that as well. Nice bow seating. We do have very sturdy seats here. Nice, comfortable backrest. We do have our filler cushion in place right here, right now. So if you wanted to be able to take this out, it'll also convert into a table that you can see the bases here for as well. Nice storage underneath both of these seats. Could be used as coolers or fish boxes if you would like. Cup holders directly behind the headrest. as well as rod holders all the way around the bow as well. Here we also have a anchor windlass, as well as a freshwater connect to be able to rinse down the anchor as you are bringing it up. We do have recessed cleats as well. Nice grab rails for while you're underway too. If you'd like to learn more about this 2027 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage or anything else that we offer here at MarineMax, feel free to check us out at marinemax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed, and thanks for watching.